Welcome to our guide on how to withdraw money from Betmgm. Understanding the withdrawal process is crucial for a smooth experience. Before you withdraw, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. This usually includes being of legal age and having a verified account. Start by logging into your Betmgm account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Withdraw section of the platform. It's typically found in the Account or Banking menu. You will see various withdrawal methods available. Options may include bank transfers or e-wallet services like PayPal. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. Be aware of any associated fees that might apply. To complete your withdrawal, you may need to verify your identity through KYC checks. Confirm your withdrawal request and make sure to review the details to avoid any mistakes. Processing times may vary. Make sure to check the specific time frames for your chosen withdrawal method. To ensure smooth future withdrawals, keep your account updated and stay informed about any policy changes.